How to make money taking surveys. Online surveys offer a convenient method to earn extra cash and accelerate financial objectives. Legitimate survey platforms such as Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost present diverse opportunities. Each site differs in availability, age requirements, and payment options. Factors to consider when choosing survey platforms include reputation, survey frequency, and payment flexibility. To maximize earnings, complete profiles thoroughly, capitalize on free offers, and prioritize high-paying surveys. Implement best practices such as using a dedicated email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software to safeguard against potential risks. Watch out for red flags like membership fees, absence of reviews, requests for sensitive data, and challenging qualification processes when assessing survey sites. Surveys for money are credible, typically taking 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some platforms offer instant cash or bonus points upon registration. Companies compensate individuals for their opinions to collect valuable market insights and consumer feedback.